Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, here with Intence, me, myself, and I. Let's see what the GS says. It's a music video, so let's jump straight to that and hear what go on. Let's go.
Sound like a joke. One of them style, you know. King Kush. Get the masses, Zebi. My love. I'm furniture them from with you. For a joke. Turn on me on meds, my wealth. Meds. No need nobody but myself.
Hold on there. I'm saying, turn on me, I don't do what?
My love. Turn on me on meds, my wealth. I'm furniture them from with you.
So basically, I say, him and him furniture them alone from where they. So, alright.
For a joke. Turn on me on meds, my wealth. Meds. No need
Turning on me yard meds, me wealth, meds. Okay, I missed it. Me never know if me never sure if that himself, but that himself for real.
Bad about myself, smooth joke. Turning on me on meds, my wealth, meds. No need nobody about myself. Smoke and reason with my dress and my bed. No need nobody hungry. No time they ever want to see no girl, nah, no friend. Nobody. I trust me on myself.
I understand. I do be like that sometimes. I do just me never want to see myself sometimes. Sometimes I get antisocial, even worse than COVID. Like very antisocial. Long before Corona, long before that. Me antisocial. Me just stop like people. Like sometimes me not like people for real. So me get to the GSA.
No time they ever want to see no girl, nah, no friend. Nobody. I trust me on myself. The amount of people out there, me give me strength enough. Shoulda follow dumb girl. And just my link, I'm my first time, I'm my best friend. And if the monks know me doing you, I'm damn well. Carry metal around you, so like Tankwell. Can't get to me, access no granted.
I like the comparison there. In same carry metal run you like Tankwell. For those who don't know who Tankwell is, Tankwell are the company where sells steel. Like Tankwell steel and thing there, like building work. You can build your house and them thing there. You can get Tankwell to buy your steel. So obviously steel and metal. So I'm gonna say yo, carry metal around you like Tankwell. We get that, I like that.
Carry metal around you so like Tankwell. Can't get to me, access no granted. Antisocial, me they ever call it that a composure.
Instead of antisocial, in the call it a composer. Me antisocial. Me can be antisocial. Very antisocial. So me know.
Can't get to me, access no granted. Antisocial, me they ever call it that a composure. Tell me remember too much when I made the fling pling and roll back from soldier. But they wish shell me not have a coconut. Lake, suck your mother in a stop. Turn on me and me.
Leak, suck your mother in a stop.
Social, me they ever call it that a composure. Tell me remember too much when I made the fling pling and roll back from soldier. But they wish shell me not have a coconut. Lake, suck your mother in a stop. Turn on me and me, my wealth. Meds. No need nobody but myself. Smoke and reason with my dress and my bed. No need nobody hungry. More time they ever want to see no girl, nah, no friend. Nobody. I trust me on myself. Deaf. The amount of people out there, me give me strength enough. Shoulda follow dumb girl. No really need them here. I'm a ever care. Them feel them know you too much when them see you here for there. But that not new to me. I like Christ and the crucifix. Slaughter me and then you laugh up when time you see me.
This is a different vibe from Intence, a different mess from Intence normal track. So this one's a bit deep. Obviously, basically, I tell you, yo, me get earth in the past, things go on in the past, but help people and then turn around by the end and feed them. So right now, they want a body around me. Sometimes they want to see a girl and a friend around me, but just want to see them house and reason with my furniture. Alright.
Fuck love, no want nobody. Me will go buy some pussy. Lick a space in me yard, a space you have for movie.
Fuck love. Fuck love. The man say, yo, fuck that. We will go buy some pussy. Me have a little space left in my heart and that have a mummy.
Fuck love, no want nobody. Me will go buy some pussy. Lick a space in me yard, a space you have for movie. Come here, me over, wow, they them order do me. And I'm no effort in the people, I'm a devil pull it. And now me and meds, my wealth, meds. No need nobody but myself. Smoke and reason with my dress and my bed. No need nobody hungry.
That's the thing though with that. Your neighbor might hear your reason with your TV and your fan and your bed and your jet side in your room. Depends on how your house set up or how people or your things set up. Or somebody might come on your gate, come call you or something like that, and them hear you talk to somebody when they know somebody in it. They must say you're mad. But the first sign of madness, them say when you start talking to yourself, yes, I'm mad. Leave me alone to be mad. Me talk to myself. So sometimes it's better than talk to myself than to talk to someone who know. Sometimes it's better than that. I don't like talk to someone sometimes because he either only not understand or not judge. And a lot of people business, or not take it tell me. Yeah, you understand me, G.
Smoke and reason with my dress and my bed. No need nobody hungry. More time they ever want see no girl nah no friend. Nobody. I trust me and myself left. The amount of people out there me give me strength enough. Shoulda follow dumbbell. Mate, I trust me and myself. Mate, no need nobody hungry. Nobody. Mate, I trust me and myself left. And just my link, I'm my first time, I'm my best friend. And if the monks know I'm doing you, I'm damn well. Carry metal around you, so like Tankwell. Can't get to me, access not granted. Antisocial, but they ever call it that a composure. Don't remember too much for me, make the film clean and roll back brown soldier. But he wish shell, man, I tap a coconut lake. Suck your mother, you know, stop and me hand makes me wealth. Meds, no need nobody but myself. Smoke and reason with my dress and my bed. No need nobody hungry. More time they ever want see no girl nah no friend. Nobody. I trust me and myself left. The amount of people out there me give me strength enough. Shoulda follow dumbbell.
Yo. Here we're going with a checker now. A lot of people can relate. A lot of people can relate to what I say. Like I tell you earlier on, me do it. And sometimes it's better than to do that. This is not, like I said earlier on as well, this is not one of Intence normal track where things are going on and it might go off in the lyrics. These lyrics are calm. Everybody can understand them. Turn me and just be myself and just stay by myself. I don't want people around me sometimes. So we get the meds here. And I appreciate the meds here. I like me say. So I stay. So that's why I'm gonna leave that one. I still big up yourself, Intence. Big up yourself, the Yang. Big up the Yang. Big up the Yang squad. The whole nation. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. Dog. So this time I'm gonna leave that one here. If you enjoyed that one, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one.